Guys, we are going for our next topic, logistic regression modeling in a Python or in a data science. So what is logistic regression? So logistic regression is a statistical model used for a binary classification. It predicts the probability of an event occurring on mapping the output to a range between 0 to 1 and using the sigmoid functions. Logistic regression can also be extended to a multi-class classification using a techniques like one versus rest OVR. So these are the logistic. So it can be explained in the for data preparation, modeling, model training, prediction, evaluation, and the visualizations. So for for a logistic regression and the Poisson regression modeling in a Python. So this presentation will explore the fundamental of logistic regression and the Poisson regression, two widely statistical models, how to effectively implement them in a Python. So understand first we understand the logistic regression as a predicted binary outcomes. So logistic regression is a powerful statistical method for predicting binary outcomes like 0 and 1, where whether a customer will purchase a product or not. It is commonly used in a various fields such as healthcare and finance and marketing. And like for a sigmoid function, the core of the logistic regression is a sigmoid function, which is transformed as a linear equation into a probability between 0 and 1, representing the likelihood positive outcomes. So preparing data for a logistic regression. First, data cleaning, feature selection, data splitting. So first with the data cleaning. The first step is to clean the data, handling the missing values, outliers and the inconsistencies. Ensure that our data is in a format suitable for a logistic regression analysis. Second is on feature selection. Feature Select the relevant feature that have a strong relationship with our target variables, and feature engineering can be enhance the model performance. So basically feature selection target the variables. And third is on data splitting. So splitting the data into training and the testing set on to a train and evaluate models, ensuring a robust assessment of its performance. So how we implementing logistic regression in a Python by four methods. First, import library. Second, create a model. Third, train model. And fourth one is make predictions. So first our import library by importing necessary libraries such as sklearns for building the models. And second is the create model. Create a logistic regression model using the logistic regression in the class sklearn. Third is train model. Train model on the prepared training data to learn the relationship between features and the target variables. And the fourth one is the make prediction. Use the train model to make prediction on the new or unseen data, like customer is purchased material or not. So for evaluating logistic regression model performance. So evaluating the logistic regression by four types. First is accuracy, precision, recall, and the F1 score. It will be on a bar graph and a pictograph. So first is accuracy. Calculate the percentage of correct predictions made by the models by train. And second is precision. So make the make the proposition of the true positive prediction and out of all positive predictions. Third is recall. Identify the preposition of the true positive prediction out of all actual positive cases. And the fourth one is an F1 score, a balanced matrices that considered both precision and the recalls. So position regression. So position regression is a part of the regression. So, like first by a modeling count data. So first count data, second assumptions, and third is applications. So count data. Progression regression is Poisson's regression is a specialized method for the modeling the count data, like the number of the events are occurring on a given time period or a region. Second is an assumption. When when a Poisson's regression assumes that the data follows a Poisson distribution with an event occurring independently at a constant role. Third, the application of the Poisson's regressions, including the modeling at the number of accidents in a city, customers' arrival in a store, or a website visit. So these are the Poisson's regression. So the explanation of logistic regression. So by data preparation, model training, predictions, evaluations, and visualization. So data preparation first, for simplicity we can convert the iris dataset into a binary classification problems. So SETA OS versus non-SETA OS of, and model training use the logistic regression class from sklearn to train the logistic regression. Third is make predictions from 0 to 1. Evaluation by evaluating by accuracy, classification, recall, and F1 score. And third and last one is a visualization. A heat map of the confusion matrices help you visualize correct prediction or a incorrect prediction. So these are the logistic regression. So thank you.